Good morning guys, and welcome back into the garage with the BSA project. This is just a quick update on how things have been progressing, and actually I haven't made much progress yet. You'll see I've removed the rear wheel and replaced the tyre, and it looks really nice. I also cleaned up the rim, and that came up really well. I'm hoping that the rest of the bike will just clean up as much as this rim has. And talking about what approach I'll take, thank you very much for your comments. I really appreciate it. I'm just going to clean it all up, honestly. I'm not going to touch the paint or the flames, as you've all suggested. It's pretty much unanimous. Keep it as it is, Mike, and so that's just what I'm going to do. Keep it nice and original as much as I can. I'll definitely clean it up. I'll do some mechanical checks as well, and some service items as well. And on that, thank you very much. Definitely I'll open up this timing cover and check this crankshaft, and specifically the bushings that runs in, just to make sure that there's no wobbling and no play. I'll definitely do that, along with a few other suggestions. Thanks for commenting on what's original, what isn't original. I appreciate that. I didn't realise these were not original. I'm thinking now perhaps they might be Triumph. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll get there bit by bit. And so thank you for all your great comments. That's terrific. And then on this video, yeah, I had started cleaning the bike from the front to the rear. I didn't make much progress. I've just done a little bit here. And then I switched to the rear of the bike. And then I had a couple of visitors. So Dave and Jeff came over, and things seemed to take a different direction. And I'm not blaming them, but I hope you'll enjoy what happened next. And but I want to assure you that I'm going to continue to work on checking out the mechanical parts, and I definitely need to give this bike an oil change as well. And I'll leave it at that, see what you think from the video. But I'm super excited about this project. Good morning.
Down for on, give it a kick, then a huge amount of compression. Oh, the front forks need attention.
Anything else before I die?
Oh yeah, front forks are terrible.
Oh, and the brakes don't work.
The brakes don't work.
Well, the brake works, yeah. Yeah, no, it behaves.
Oh, that was nice.
Well, it's warmed up.
It's quite a first kick this morning.
It's your strong leg, Dave, that's what it is.
And what's the gear pattern?
Same as Norton, up the first.
Okay. That makes it easy for you.
Yeah. Sounds nice.
It does.
It handled really well. Man, that's a great frame.
Yeah.
It vibrates,
Oh yeah.
which you expect, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think that's one thing they probably have to keep me away from tramps or BSAs.
Yeah.
My
how's
hands
that?
don't like the vibration very much.
Yeah. Well, the commando is artificial because the engine vibrates like crazy. You just
It
don't
is.
feel it. You know,
But it works.
Oh yeah.
We want to hear at least a sputter on the first kick.
And no flames.
Flames are okay. That's why you got the video running.
Ready? As we'll ever be. Holy shit. Mine actually takes throttle. Phone doesn't work.
See ya. Well, what did you think? I was not planning on starting the bike again, especially not on the bench as well. I would probably have taken it off, and honestly, I was planning on doing an oil change first of all, but here we are. That was going through my mind as well as we started the bike, but nevertheless, I'm absolutely delighted that it started so relatively easy, and that idle, oh my gosh, unbelievable, right? So man, that's maybe the single carburetor, I'm sure, and just a thump, thump, thump. That was a wonderful sound, and that's before I even touched the bike, so I'll be very mindful of that. But definitely checking the oil, dropping that oil out. I'm probably going to replace the sump plate as well with one of the new plates that has the integral drain plug inside it, just so I don't have to keep taking the plate off every time. But yes, so great progress. That's it for now. I'm now going to switch gears, or going back to doing the service, cleaning the bike up, and then hopefully the next time you see this I will have made a start going through the bike bit by bit. So thanks as always for all your comments and your great support of this channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you again next week. Okay, see ya.